Hello, Pengar. I'm Sakso sa kanila video na. Ya question de number 29 ni alternative question nga. From a solid cylinder whose height is 8 cm and radius 6 cm, a conical cavity of height 8 cm and of base radius 6 cm is hollowed out. Kesa solid cylinder doana digimna ikora ya cylinder kora khonga ha. Digimna khonge mena ikora my shape ong atana cone shape ong ata ini masakaniya ino conical cavity nimna. Ya cylinder ko digi khonge mena digi cone shape taka daha. Digimna ini radius de 6 cm aro height of cylinder de 8 cm. Height of cylinder aro height of cone keginian apsan 8 cm aro radius of cylinder aro radius of cone keginian 6 cm. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Remaining solid ni volume ka managdan again mane de bano solid part ungya ya part solid ungya ya part aro ya part solid ungya diba ya part te kolbang bang ungya ini men ya part ni volume kam jawa mekemna volume of the remaining solid kam gena volume of cylinder kam chingna again volume of cylinder kam mani jamano volume of cone kam nan again the volume of cylinder ni ko ya volume of cone ko minus khajo kode volume of the remaining solid ko man again. Also find the total surface area of the remaining solid. Remaining solid mane de total surface area of the remaining solid node remaining solid ode ya part ongya aro ya part. Ini man curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cone aro area of the cylindrical base ya part area of circle ni formula khaja khalem nan again. Curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cone aro area of cylindrical base ge tham ko mani jamano ge tham ko plus kanan again wasa again total surface area of the remaining solid. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Pi ni value ko inon so ha 3.14. Skang about volume of cylinder kam chingen volume of solid cylinder is equal to the volume of cylinder ni formula rong jok pi r square h. So this is equal to pi ni value ra beton sona 3.14 into radius te betana 6 ini given 6 square into h rong jok height of cylinder ye rong jok 8 dimne ye gumko multiply khawre betonge ni answer de 904.32 centimeter or centimeter cube. Volume only given centimeter cube. Yes, sir, volume of solid cylinder 904.32 centimeter cube. The next day, I come again volume of conical cavity. Volume of conical cavity. That the volume of cone ni formula ko jakhalna again ino de ini volume of cone ni formula de 1/3 pi r square h. So this is equal to 1/3 sene de 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 into pi r ongjok 3.14 into r ongjok 6 squared 1 even 6 square into h ongjok 8. So this is equal to equal solve against mode petong in answer de 301.44 centimeter cube. The volume of solid cylinder kam jok volume of conical cavity kam jok the maikho amna manginok volume of the remaining solid. Volume of the remaining solid. You gotta make again. Your volume of solid cylinder niko volume of conical cavity ko subtract again. The volume of solid cylinder jok 904.32 minus the volume of conical cavity yerong jok 301.44. Betong gena iko subtract kawde 602.88 centimeter cube. Yes, the volume of the remaining solid. So the next day, curved surface area of cylindrical part. Curved surface area of cylindrical part. Ini formula de curved surface area of cylinder. Ini formula de 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. So this is equal to 2 into pi rong jok 3.14. R de 6, tina H de 8. ये गम को multiply against mode पता मन गया 301.44 centimeter square. Yes, a curved surface area of cylindrical part. So the next day, मैंने यह part नहीं ने यह cylindrical part ini curved surface area को दे मना है 301.44. तो the curved surface area of cone को अपना रंगेन curved surface area of conical part. Curved surface area of conical part de curved surface area of cone को दे में किसी है ना pi r l. तो ना pi r जोक 3.14 into r जोक 6 centimeter into l को दे में किसी again root h square plus r square निचे ना मन गेन L rongjok root h square plus r square ये rongjok Pythagoras Theorem jakhala L de ya part ongya slant height demna ये de height demna ये de radius ने ये radius ये triangle लके इको नियत किंच मोड़े ये de perpendicular ये base ये de hypotenuse ongya Pythagoras Theorem को jakhala root h square plus r square h ara height r radius. So this is equal to 3.14 into 6 into root h ara betana 8 square plus r rongjok 6 square. So this is equal to 3.14 into 6 against more betong 18.84 root 8 square de 64 plus 6 square de 36. So this is equal to 18.84 into root 64 plus 36 against more de 100. So this is equal to 18.84 into root 100 ni square root te betana 10. Minimum 10 chi 18.84 ko multiply khaung de betong again 188.4 centimeter square 188.4 centimeter square. Yes, a curved surface area of conical part. Tode a conical part ni curved surface area ko dama ha tode ye cylindrical base ni ya khama gapa part ni area kham nagdan again area of cylindrical base. Ini formula de one area of circle ni formula ko sakana again pi r square. Yes, area of circle ni formula area of cylindrical base de pi r square. So this is equal to pi de 3.14 into radius de betana 6 aro square dunga 6 square. That is 6 square into 3.14 against mo de betong ganok 113.04 centimeter square. Yes, area of cylindrical base. That American total surface area of the remaining solid come again. Therefore, total surface area of the remaining solid. Inode gigitam ko plus kanan nganok. Curved surface area of the cylindrical part plus curved surface area of conical part plus area of cylindrical base kanan again. The curved surface area of cylindrical part te beta 301.44. 301.44 plus the curved surface area of conical part te 188.4. 188.4 plus the area of cylindrical base te 113.04. 113.04. So this is equal to the plus kabo beta 4 plus 4 ka inch mode 8. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 0 de 8. Decimal point. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 3 de beta 12. 2 carry over 1. 0 plus 1 de 1. 1 plus 8 de 9. 9 plus 1 de 10. Carry over 1. 3 plus 1 de 4. Plus 1 de 5. 6. 602.88 centimeter square. Yes, sir. Total surface area of the remaining solid.